How to cancel your Sephora credit card. Follow my instructions. If you no longer want your Sephora credit card, canceling it is simple but important. Closing your card properly avoids extra fees, protects your credit, and keeps your account secure. Here's a step-by-step walkthrough. First, check your current balance and make sure it is fully paid off. If you still owe money, clear the balance or contact customer service about payoff options. It's always best to cancel only when your account is at zero. Next, call the Sephora credit card customer service number found on the back of your card or on your billing statement. You can also log into your Sephora or Community Bank online account for secure chat support. Tell the representative you want to close your Sephora credit card account. They may ask why you are canceling and offer alternatives like lowering your limit. Stay clear and confirm you want the account closed. Make sure to request a written confirmation of account closure for your records. Once your card is canceled, cut it up or destroy it so it cannot be used. Keep monitoring your credit report to ensure the account shows as closed by customer. This protects your credit history in the long run. And that's how to cancel your Sephora credit card safely and correctly. Thanks for watching.